Morning. How are you today? Hopefully you've had a fantastic day. I'm back from my week at Hamilton Island, so I'll be getting back into it, and you're going to hate this, but this is Shelby's last week. So I've got my last surrogate balance with her that will be shared on Thursday. So I'm now going to be putting it out there that I attract the right person. Maybe that's what this can be about. So attracting what you are after in your life. So, okay, that's it. That feels like a good one to me for us all. So, anti-clockwise on the heart. This is equivalent to the switching points, which is connecting the top and bottom of the brain, front and back of the brain, and left and right sides of the brain. So anti-clockwise over the heart does all three of those. Run that central meridian, feed your conscious brain, feed the conscious brain. Now have a think for a moment what you want to attract in your world. I haven't decided yet whether or not to have another therapist working from the clinic. And if I was going to, I would want someone totally cruisy. And so, yeah. Anyway, doesn't matter. One way or the other, simply doesn't matter. Okay, so think about something that you want to attract in your life. Now, I want you to close your eyes and visualize it. Visualize what it is you want to attract. Can you see it? How does it make you feel? Run that central meridian. How does it make you feel having that in your life? See yourself having that in your life. Whether it's health, whether it's something to do with your body, whether it's, easy joints if you're in pain, whether it's lack of muscle pain, whether it's weight loss, whether it's, what is it or is it a new car? Is it a new place to live? Is it the ocean? What is it that you want? Okay. So how do you feel? Like if you can see that in your mind, then the universe starts to attract the energy that can allow it to start putting itself in place. Is it freedom? Is it a holiday? Is it a new relationship? Is it revamping an old relationship? Is it catching up with someone? What is it? How do you feel having that in your life? Does it make you feel alive? Does it make you feel happy? Does it make you feel enthusiastic? What is it that you're trying to bring in? And I want to see yourself in a bubble. So picture yourself in a bubble with your dream. What is it that's in there with you? And then give it a color that matches the energy of what you want. So some people see like pink energy is a love sort of energy. Gold and blue are lovely for healing, but it can be any color bubble. So see yourself in that bubble with whatever it is that you want. Breathe it in. Breathe in the energy of having your dream in that bubble with you. Breathe it in. How does that feel? Can you feel it in every cell of your body? Can you feel the tingling in your body by being able to have whatever it is you're after? Okay. I attract only good in my life. I attract joy and love in my life. attract health and wealth in my life. I choose people in my life who help me to attain my goals. Life is good. I am calm and clear in all that I do. I attract love in all that I do. Okay, shake it off, shake it off, shake it off. Have a good one, guys.